Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the Logitech keyboard issues, then please watch this video. The first thing is to check the keyboard on an other device. So we will remove the dongle if it's a wireless keyboard, or we'll remove the USB cable if it's a wired keyboard, and we will check it on another device just to check if it's a hardware or a software issue. If it works on another device, then we move on to the next solutions because it's a software issue. But if it doesn't work on the other device, that means your keyboard is damaged or your dongle is damaged. Now, the second thing we can do is we can also remove the device and replug it again in the system just to make sure that there's no loose connection from the dongle or the USB cable. The third thing we need to do is to check the if the USB cable is physically damaged or the dongle is damaged. So we can use another dongle. And the last option is to update the keyboard, USB and Bluetooth drivers if it is a software issue. So I will look for device manager and we will update the Bluetooth driver. We'll click on MediaTek Bluetooth adapter and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers and it should update the Bluetooth driver. Then we will look for the keyboard and USB drivers. So we'll look for keyboard and right click and click on update driver. Same thing we will do with this, right click, update driver, search automatically for drivers. We do not need to update the standard PS2 because these are the legacy old keyboards which use the 3-pin plug to connect. So I don't think you'll be using that in this day and age. And the last one is the USB drivers. So you need to select all the USB drivers and just do the same process of right click, update driver and search automatically for drivers. And then you need to restart the computer. And by now your Logitech keyboard should start working. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.